press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students. So under triangles we were solving problems from exercise 7.2. So far we have completed question number 1. Let us take up question number 2 in exercise 7.2. So exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2, question number 2. So in this there is a diagram. I will first draw the diagram. So ABC triangle, and AD is the altitude. Now the given data is like this. In triangle ABC, data, so triangle ABC is given, wherein perpendicular bisector of BC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. So AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. So with this what we can read, ADB is 90 degree and BD is equal to DC. Now the question is, show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Show that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So that means we have to prove the two sides of the triangle ABC are equal. So that is to prove AB is equal to AC. Now proof. So consider triangle ADB and ADC. Consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So in these two triangles, you observe, given it is given BD equals DC. So this side is equal to this side, they are equal. Now in ADB and ADC, AD is common side, AD equals AD common. So you can write BD equals BC, it is given. Now because it is a perpendicular bisector, ADB angle is equal to ADC, both are equal to 90 degree. So because it is given, it's a perpendicular bisector, I will say it is given data. So now by one side of this triangle is equal to the same side of the other triangle, that is AD is common, BD is equal to DC. So side angle side, side angle side. So therefore by SAS congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. So once we prove this, the corresponding angles must be equal, the corresponding sides must be equal. We already know that BD is equal to DC, AD is common. The remaining sides are AB and AC, they must be equal. So therefore, I will write, therefore AB equals AC, AB equals AC, that we say by CP/CT you can write corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this completes question number 2. So now I will write question number 3. I will move on to question number 3 of section 7.2. So again there is a diagram given like this. This is triangle ABC and altitudes are given. This is 90 degree and from here to here this is joint, this is also 90 degree. This is ABC FE or EF. So question number 3. Question number 3. So now, so what is the question here? ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC isosceles triangle, they say, in which altitudes BE and EF are drawn. These two are altitudes, that means CF is perpendicular to AB and BE is perpendicular to AC. Equal sides AC, AB. So it is given AB equals AC and CF perpendicular to AB and BE perpendicular to AC. So this is the data given. Then what is to be proved? Show that these altitudes are equal. So we have to prove that. To prove BE equals FE FC or CF, B equals CF you can write, CF. So, this we have to prove. Of course, the procedure is very much similar. Now, you consider here triangles AEB and AFC. So, this triangle, this is AEB and AFC is this triangle. So, proof. So, consider triangle AEB and triangle AFC. Now, in these two triangles, angle AEB and AFC, angle A equals A, this angle A is applicable to, is there in both these two triangles. So, it is common angle. So, common angle to these two triangles, common. Now, it is given AB equals AC. So, AB is there in this triangle also, AB is there. So, AB equals AC given. So, now we have this angle common, and here in this triangle we have one side equal and angle A equal, and AEB equals AEB is equal to AFC equals 90 degree, because they are perpendicular to these are altitudes. So, AC is perpendicular to B or B perpendicular to AC, these two are equal. So, two angles are equal and one side is equal. So, therefore, we can say by AS congruency rule, triangle AEB congruent to triangle AFC. So, when they are congruent, the corresponding parts must be equal. So, therefore, the corresponding part of FC is BF. So, therefore, I will write, so BE is equal to CF by CP CT. So, this is by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So, this is what is to be proved, B is equal to CF. So, this completes question number 3. Now I will move on to next question, question number 4. So, question number 4, again the same figure is there, but the question is different. So, here this is ABC and this is altitude and this is also altitude. Now, so this is F, this is E, same figure, but the question is different. ABC is a triangle in which the altitudes B and CF, two sides AB and AC are equal. So, it is given the altitudes are equal. So, data. So, what is given in a triangle ABC? Altitudes BE equals CF, BE equals CF and BE perpendicular to, the word altitude says BE perpendicular to AC and CF perpendicular to AB. So, all this is given. Then what is asked? Show that ABE congruent to ACF. ABE, this triangle is congruent to ACF. So, there are two questions. Show that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Second question, AB equals AC. Show that AB equals AC. Equals AC. So, of course, it is just a reverse way of asking. In the previous problem, AB and AC were given. You were asked to prove the altitudes are equal. In this problem, it is given altitudes are equal. Prove that AB equals AC. AB equals AC. Now, we need to prove these two triangles are congruent. So, therefore, consider those two triangles and compare them. Proof. Consider triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So, in ABE and ACF, so we have, it is given BE equals CF, BE equals CF, ABE, BE equals CF, ABE, ACF, angle A equals A, common, it is given, this is common to both triangles, and we have AFC, angle AFC is equal to angle AEB is equal to 90 degree, because these two are altitudes. It is given in the, so it is given that they are right angles. So therefore angle side, so therefore by AAS congruence rule, so we can say these two are congruent. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. So when they are congruent, the corresponding parts must be equal. Therefore we can say second one straight away, but therefore AB must be equal to AC by CP CT. So this conclusion we will give by CP CT. So this completes the question number 4. So dear students, I will take up the remaining problems in the next session. So thank you all.